The Volvo XC90's infotainment system is central to navigation, media, and vehicle diagnostics. Resets are crucial for resolving issues like frozen screens or lag. There are primarily two types of resets, a soft reboot and a hard reset. Freezes often stem from memory overload, app incompatibility, or firmware bugs. For unresponsive screens, disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes can reset the entire ECU. Always perform resets while parked due to temporary feature disability. To perform a soft reboot on your Volvo XC90 infotainment system, hold down the power button, typically located below the screen, for about 20 to 30 seconds until the system restarts. This method resolves most minor software glitches without data loss. If the soft reboot doesn't fix the issue, and the screen remains frozen or continues to malfunction, a factory reset or professional diagnosis may be necessary. Volvo has rolled out OTA updates, so ensure your system is up to date. If problems persist, consult your Volvo dealer or a certified technician for further assistance, as recurring issues may indicate deeper software conflicts or hardware faults.